Hello my friend and welcome back. So today we are showing you guys AUVON's blood glucose monitoring system. No coding, 0.7 U, very small sample in 6 seconds. Let's go ahead and show you guys how this works and what you get. So you get a full kit, everything needed, the manuals and everything. You get your test strips. So they provide you with, I believe, 50 different ones. Everything needed. And here is the device itself. And there's the battery. You would stick it inside, right up here, the blood that's on the strip. Press and hold this to turn it on. Alright, so for the sake of this, I'm not going to show you the blood, but we went ahead and put it on here. And what you do is, well, we'll show you then. Take one of these, you turn the pen open, place it down inside, twist it back on, pull this here, then you press this clear button once you have it on, wherever you have it on, and then it'll prick, and then you put the blood on the strip and you put it through the machine. So once you actually prick yourself, all you do is you take one of these and you'll slide it in like this first, have your whole thing off, let it come up, and now then you would just touch the tip here to the blood. So not on the top, not on the bottom, but on the tip of it, and then it'll read. So we read ours, you know, for the sake of the video, we're not showing blood, so it works great. It's gonna work great for you guys. Just read the directions.